Welcome viewers, this is Raj Maths channel. Broad revision of basic maths concepts taught till class 7 are being continued. In this video, serial 8 has been uploaded. This is about fractions, part 2. Reducing to lowest terms or simplest form. We have an example of 12 by 16. This fraction has to be reduced to its simplest form. We divide numerator and denominator by 4 and we get the fraction 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 fraction is the simplest form of 12 by 16. This cannot be simplified further. We can also do like, we can cancel by 4 as we have shown and write like this. Now at 2 is writing a fraction in standard form. Examples of standard form of fractions are 4 by 7 minus 3 by 5. We can see that fractions are in simplest form and negative sign is with numerator. At 2, to write 12 by minus 8 in standard form. What we do is, we simplify 12 by 8 fraction and it comes as 3 by 2, and then we write the negative sign at the numerator. So minus 3 by 2 is the standard form of 12 by minus 8 fraction. Thank you very much. Write in comments if you have any suggestions and do subscribe if interested.